So I'm with Richard from AooStar, yes? And just going to show us around your booth today. What are you showing off at IFA?
Okay, this is our mini PC. This model is Goodies. You can check this is the gaming PCs from the AooStars, where the CPUs is AMDs and it's R9 690HS, and the RAMs is DDR5. Dual channels supports up to the 32 GB support slot, and this is our main board. This is our first generation supports main boards here, and you can check this board just like this one. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is our R&D to design, and we produce this one.
So that's mini ATX, is it?
Yeah. And this is the very powerful CPUs. You look at 9955HX 3Ds. It's very powerful. So we hope to promote this for our AooStar brands in the future. Yeah. This is our new models, and it will come soon in the markets in the future. So I hope this is hot sales in the future. You just look like this. This is a mini PC makers, and this is eGPUs.
Nice. Okay.
Just so we can look at this. You can connect the mini PCs, the eGPU connected the mini PCs, and it's work.
Is that USB 4? Is it?
Yeah, USB 4, and he has OGLink. Yes, OGLink ports and the USB 4. Yes, there's a DB port, and you can connect the mini PC. You can play the game. The many game you can play. Just you can customize it, and then you just like this is our AI models. You can install the AI model inside in the PCs. This is our mini PCs. It can operate AI function. Yes, this is here. This is this. Yes, this. Yes, the CPU is AI X370.
Yeah,
and
my laptop is a very fast
DDR5. Yeah. May I check AI writing?
Yeah, sure thing.
Yes, AI writing, and can translate the language. Yes, AI search. You can
all on the device.
Yes, download AI models in here. This is the AGPUs. It's hot sales in US, and we sell on Amazon and our website. Yes, this is we can look at this.
This is a built-in power supply as well, isn't it? Yeah.
To supply the inside here, inside here.
ATX power supply for this one, yeah.
Yes, it has OGLink and USB 4. Yeah, this is our new model. It's the functions like this, and it's eGPUs. Let's look at the specification details here. Yeah, it's OGLink and Thunderbolt 5 improved. 1000 volts 5 improved output. Yeah, device here.
Cool.
Yeah, this is our NAS. It's a 4-bay. Take it out. Yeah, I'll show you.
Yeah, that's very neat. Yeah.
It's 4-bay specification. There are CPUs. Our main CPU is the 5S25Us. This is our main CPU for this model. Yeah.
Cool.
Yes.
Yeah, and 150s, yeah.
Okay.
And then this is a more powerful one.
Yeah, this is the more powerful, and it's a WTR Max. Yes. You can install the SSD here.
Gosh.
It's total 11 base.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
And you can check the input. You can check the just such like this. Wow. It's a 10G network port here. It's very powerful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Two 10G network powers.
Yeah, and
network. Yeah.
So it's just all the ports really, isn't it? I mean, these are really impressive products. How long have you been working at AooStar? How long has it been a company? How old is the company?
How old the company? Yeah, that's once. We founded in October 2013. Yeah.
Cool.
But our brand is a new brand, so we will develop very fast.
Right.
Yes, because we have an R&D team.
Yeah, cool. Well, thanks so much, Richard.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate you. Thank you very much.